back to my channel. I hope that everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day, and as I said, welcome back. Thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. If you are new here, please do hit subscribe and join our little YouTube family. That way you do not miss any future videos that we do, unboxings, reviews, all kind of stuff. It's always a good time. So, and we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so you definitely want to subscribe and enter that, and I will link up above the video that shows all of the contents of the prize package, which, like I said, or maybe I didn't say, I think it's a pretty awesome prize. So you definitely want to subscribe, watch our videos, and hopefully you'll win the giveaway. So anyway, as you can see from the description, we have another Tarte order to unbox. I'm excited. So it looks like it got a little dented in shipping, but that's okay. Tarte's usually pretty good about packing everything well. So we're gonna get our little friend and cut into this, and I'm gonna share with you guys. All right. They did pack it well, which I appreciate, as you all know. So you open the box and it says, "Hello Tartlet," and then it says, "Why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural." And inside, the pretty purple tissue paper. So we are going to take it out. Another Tarte order. Yay! I love Tarte. So, these kisses are so cute, guys. They always make me want to pucker up. So, we are going to take off the tissue paper and check this out. Oh, sorry, I bumped the camera. Okay, so I do know with this order I was able to select 2 samples to try, and we have here little foil packs. It looks like they have different shades, but this is the Tarte Double Duty, and then we have matte and hydrating Shape Tape foundation. So that's a cute little sample. I don't know, maybe mixing 2 of them might be enough for one look, but we'll see. And then the other sample here is the Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. This is part of their Rainforest of the Sea collection. So those were fun little samples to get. But moving right along. Right here we have got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Double-ended lash fibers 4-in-1 mascara. It says step 1, prep with mascara, 2, extend with fibers, and 3, set again with mascara. So it will give you beautifully long lashes. So I'm really excited about that. We'll take it out so you can see. And so I can see. Okay, so figure out which end is the mascara. Okay, so this end is the mascara, and there you can see a nice full wand, and then the other end is the fibers, and you can see they're on the spoolie, so they'll go onto your lashes. So that's cool. If you don't want to wear false lashes and you don't want just simple mascara, this is kind of the in-between. You can get a little bit of best of both worlds. And then we've got, did I order the same color? You guys, I did. It's okay because I love it, so it'll be fine. In the first Tarte order I did, I had a little lip gloss that came in and I fell in love with it. It is the Tarteist glossy lip paint in the color Goals. I ordered it again, but that's okay because, like I said, it is probably my favorite color right now, so I'm perfectly fine to have another little one for when the other one runs out. And then we got the Amazonian Butter lipstick, and this is in Coral Blossom. I'll show you cute packaging. And I think the actual packaging is adorable, you guys. How cute is that? Oh, did y'all hear that? Makes you want to go. And how fun is that color? Oh, so pretty, like model. So I am so happy with that. And then we got another 15% off. Code Tartlet15, offer ends September 30th. Same day as our giveaway. This I am super excited for. This is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Hydrate and Glow set. So let's take it out and take a look. And okay, so it is the eyeshadow palette. There is a moisturizer, facial mist, and then a lipstick. And the face mist is the Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. And is that all it's going to tell me? Okay, we'll just take a look. So the mist is 4-in-1 setting mist. Sorry. So I'll get to try that out. That's great. And then they've got this stuff really, really good here in this plastic. This is Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So this is the moisturizer. Safety seal. Oh, hold on now. It's like a heavy duty safety seal and it had some product on it. And y'all know this Tarte stuff is not cheap, so we're gonna make sure we get all that product off that lid, that safety seal. Okay. Oh, I got some on my finger. It definitely smells like the ocean. Like, it makes you think of the ocean. Like sea salt and ocean waves, and so that smells really good. And then the little lipstick. This is in the color Island Life. And how cute. Ooh, and this is a beautiful color for fall. Beautiful. So cute. So cute. And then the final item, which I was most excited for, but I don't know, the lipstick that I got, and then the lipstick that came in this, along with the setting mist and that moisturizer, the mascara, the lip gloss. I don't know which is my favorite, you guys. But this is the eyeshadow palette. How cute is that? It's like little mermaid scales. Gorgeous. Love these colors because they are absolutely fall or summer, whenever, neutral, beautiful colors. The names of the colors: Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heat Wave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, and Jewel. And like I said, this is all, these last few items from the set are all from the Rainforest of the Sea. So I don't blind you, I am going to show you this upside down so the mirror is not there, but look at these colors. They are gorgeous. They honestly, some of them could probably be used as a highlighter. It is an eyeshadow palette, but like I said, some of them could be used as a highlighter. So this is absolutely beautiful, and I'm so happy to add it to my eyeshadow palette collection. So that was this Tarte order. Y'all know we'll probably have another one, but I wanted to share with you guys. And this, again, this was stuff that I found on sale. I had the coupon like this that came with my other order. And if you are a Tarte Rewards member, August has been the loyalty month, so you get on Fridays free shipping. Normally you have to spend like $40 to get free shipping, but you get free shipping on Fridays regardless of what your total is. And this was just under $40 for all of this stuff. So I mean, for the set, and then the mascara, the lipstick, and the little lip gloss, which like I said, I didn't realize I ordered the same color that came in the other kit that I got, but it's fine. I love it, so it'll work. It's all great. And then we got these two little samples. I really do want to try this cleanser, so I'm excited for that because I've debated on purchasing it. So this was a good way for me to give it a try and then know if I want to spend the money on it, which I probably will, because like I said, I love Tarte and I think that their products are great. I love that they are, you know, cruelty free. Everything in this collection, the Rainforest of the Sea, is vegan. So that's just, let me see about the mascara. I know everything is cruelty free. Okay, the mascara is not vegan. But yeah, all of Tarte's products are cruelty free, which is absolutely great. And then, like I said, a good majority of them are actually vegan as well. So that's awesome. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like Tarte. I will link their website down below, and I will also put this code again if you want to do an order to get yourself 15% off. And don't forget, subscribe and enter the contest if you have not already. It ends on September 30th. And like I said, I will make sure to have the link to the video that shows all of the contents of the prize linked up above for you. And I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day, and until the next video,